Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to generate a lip sync video in just 1 minute. First, open this website. You can drive the generation using either audio or text. Let's start with the audio-driven mode. Here, you can upload either an image or a video for lip syncing. I'd recommend using a short video, as it tends to produce more natural results. This is a quick clip I filmed outside today. Don't worry about what's being said in the video, it doesn't matter at all. Now, upload or record an audio file to drive the lip sync.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to share some insights about building strong professional relationships.
Hit generate. Let me also start the timer to see how fast thing works. And it's done! Let's check the result.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to share some insights about building strong professional relationships.
Pretty good, right? What's impressive is it's free, with no sign-up required. How cool is that? Now let me show you the text-driven mode. I'll use the same video. You can either choose from a set of preset voices or clone your own, and I'll show you the cloning option. Prepare a short recording of the voice you'd like to clone. I'm using this cute audio clip here.
Guess what?
Then paste in your target text. I'll use the closing lines of this video and hit generate.
That's it for today. Isn't this incredible? It's free, it's fast, it's uncensored, and you can even generate lip sync videos up to 60 minutes long.
Go try it for yourself and let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time!